In today's class we will be learning the topic, Nigeria as a federation. Federation is a system of government in which there is a constitutional division of powers between the central government and other component units forming the union or federation, that is, division of powers between the federal government and the states within the country. Examples of countries practicing federal system of government. They include Australia, Nigeria, United States of America, Switzerland, Canada, etc. Exclusive list. This is a list of items or topics or activities on which only the federal government has powers to make laws on. The items include the Army, immigration, emigration, foreign affairs, currency matters, internal affairs, defense, residual list. This is a list of all activities or topics or items which only the state government has powers to make laws on. They include chieftaincy matters, markets, etc. Concurrent list. This is a list of items or topics or activities, areas in which both the state and federal government can participate. Items on this list include health, education, agriculture, road. It is also called a federal system of government or a federation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.